So, hello, today video about this. Look at this nice style. It's our second little warehouse. We have it not a lot of time, and here it's like another level. So I hope that I can film there. Let's go. I think here we have offices, but we rent this little room. Okay, I need a key. Some cleaning mode. Okay, let's go back to the floor number 4, and we will try to find keys, because our boss of our house said that it's open there, just go. Okay, ready to try to find our keys. And by the way, look at this stuff. I think it's stairs at the stairs. Woohoo! I have it, and by the way, it's dolphin. Nice. So let's try again. Level number 6. And close it. So, what we have? Boxes, by the way, for packing our goods. We have 2 little rooms, and I think I need in this one. And this stuff, I think it's our all of this engineering counts almost perfect. So what we have tires, this, and we have, I think it calls sachet, I don't know, like little bit of cosmetics to, you can take this and try, is it okay for you, and then if you like it, you will buy this little this like big bottle. And we have a lot of the stuff here. Look at this, it looks like pack with this little sachet, this little packs, and it's all of this from our factory where we buy our cosmetics. We have a lot, and this we did it some days ago with Ola, my best friend here at warehouse. In fact, it was without this, like just boxes with text, but now it's so comfortable because you can come from here and you can see, okay, I need this yellow, and serum, no, I need a cream. Yeah, cream. It's fast, easy, and it looks beautiful. But now I need in shoppers, where is it? I need in this stuff. Yeah. It's special bags for shopping, and that's all. And by the way, we can go to another our little room here, just to check is it okay there. I will take it. We have to go to this room. In fact, it's the same area, but here we have boxes. Right? A lot of boxes for packing. Big boxes, little boxes. We have a lot of size for different stuff. Medium, and yeah, and these special bubbles to like defend the sheeter, to defend these bottles first of all with liquid stuff inside. Bubbles, boxes, and nothing interesting. By the way, the funny stuff that we have AC here and there too. In these two little rooms we have air conditions, but we don't have it at our warehouse. It's so fun because here it's useless. So what can I say? Love this, and I think I will try to film more these little videos again. Now I can do it with my phone because I think it's a nice vibe for you and for me, like memory, because yeah, I think of course in my future I hope that it's my last warehouse in my life, and it will be really nice and fun to look at this after 5-10 years. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video, at training, or of course I will continue with this like warehouse life, with this secret filming, because in fact I think it's not like secret information, yeah, boxes, but of course I can't film, especially in English. I can film during my work, but when I will do it like without people around, it will be nice and it will be interesting to watch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video tomorrow. Yeah, and I have to go out. And don't forget our bags.